Rob Fowler, you are the CEO of Volta Trucks. What is Volta Trucks?
Yes, so Volta Trucks are building a 16-ton rigid electric vehicle for urban distribution and city centres. So it's a truck that's not just electric, but the safest commercial vehicle on the road is our objective. But it's focused on inner cities where safety is most important and air quality is worse.
And how far have you come with your business?
So we launched our first prototype on the 3rd of September. We launched it online because of coronavirus instead of a physical event. We had over 30,000 views over the course of the last 5 weeks, combining that with 350 pieces of media coverage all the way across the globe. So we reached America and Asia, as well as mainland Europe, as you could imagine.
So you have some prototypes?
Yes, so our prototype is located in Oxford. Our customers are coming in to see it, to drive it, to get a feel for how the vehicle is constructed and built, and giving us our feedback on how that vehicle works. The first 12 vehicles will go onto a road in 2021, followed by 500 vehicles going onto a road in 2022.
Okay, so first commercial product will be in 2021.
Yeah, 2021 will be our pilot fleet of prototypes going out onto the road. 2022 will be our first production vehicle. What we're really excited about with that is that we're already taking orders now against our vehicles in 2022 because the strength of demand from our customers has been so strong, but actually people already want to start to put deposits down for 2022 vehicles. Okay,
so let's talk about demand and the competitive landscape, because there is a few players out there.
Yeah,
but
absolutely.
Demand is big?
Demand is really strong, actually, and we've seen people building larger vehicles and people building smaller vehicles, but not a lot of people building in our sector, which is great for us, as you can imagine. We see some of the OEMs starting to move around in this space, but we're not a big organisation like they are. We're a lean and dynamic organisation, which means that we've got a great opportunity to build in this sector. And really, that's given us a great chance now to go out and meet customers and have a product offering, but not a lot of other people can bring to market at this point.
So what's your hopes for the future? What do you work with right now?
So we're working with a range of different customers around the pilot program. We've got a range of customers as well, which have started to put deposits down again for vehicles. Our first one was in the press last week, which we're delighted to announce. On top of that, we're meeting with a lot of different customers who have different use cases. So people who want to move white goods, people who want to move food and beverage and food into supermarkets. So been really surprised by the really broad range of customers which are coming forward and saying they'd really like to put our product onto a road.
And when you talk about safety, is that a important
Yeah, I think it's absolutely key because the statistics show that 4% of miles in London are driven by a heavy goods vehicle, but 58% of cyclist fatalities involve a heavy goods vehicle as well. There's a very significantly higher number of accidents involving heavy goods vehicles and vulnerable road users in pedestrians and cyclists. And actually, we take a view that says, if we strive to build the safest commercial vehicle on the road, that can only make the world a better place. So really, we want to make sure that we build a direct vision standard 5-star rated vehicle, so the very highest safety standards, to really give the driver all of the support that they need to make sure they can drive in city centres safely and not have that impact, not just upon the victim of the accident, but also the driver. And actually, what's really interesting is that we're seeing in the ESG goals and objectives of large corporations now is that they actually are focusing on safety as well. They're no longer just focused on sustainability and environment, but they're thinking about the company's whole footprint in the world.
Thank you.
Thank you.